What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok you're following too fast. So basically this problem occurs when you try to follow a lot of people within a short period of time. So once you do this action, the TikTok will think you're a bot trying to follow a lot of people, or if you're a person who's trying to do follow for follow. So follow for follow is an action when somebody follows other person and the other person follows you. And through this, they're trying to increase their followers to get some extra features, because once you pass 1,000 followers, there's some extra features, or like there's some extra settings your account is gonna get. And some people try to do follow to follow in order to do that, and that violates TikTok's community guideline. So don't do that. So if you're trying to follow 100 people within an hour, it's gonna show you you're following too fast. Basically, TikTok is thinking like your account is doing some suspicious thing, because if you're following 100 people within like an hour, that is suspicious. No normal people will try to do that, but there are some people who do that. So if you're facing this problem saying you're following too fast, basically you don't have to do anything. You just need to wait for a day, and after a day you should be able to follow other people. And if it still doesn't work even after you waiting for a day, then just delete your TikTok, reinstall it. There's like some kind of bug which causes this problem. So first wait for a day and then delete your TikTok and reinstall it. It should fix this problem. So that's how we guys can fix your TikTok you're following too fast. Just don't follow a large number of people within like a certain period of time, like 1 hour. Not just say 1 hour. Let's say you try to follow 200 people within a day. It's also gonna shade this, alright? So it's just temporarily locking your follow system. So don't worry about it. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.